reste dans l'univers folk avec Gordie Chambers and the Seagulls. À l'origine, projet solo, les ballades mélancoliques du début sont aujourd'hui plus soutenues et rythmées, étoffées par l'arrivée de plusieurs musiciens. Ils viennent de sortir un album, ils nous en parlent dans POOM TCHAK.
Now that I've been writing down all the shit that was in my head, I've been wandering around looking for your name. Such a nice walk to be on my own, and it's not supposed to rain again. Now I wonder when I come home, will it be the same? You must be missing me. Oh, I ain't missing you. Gotta get out of my head, gotta stop talking to myself. Yes, I know only time will tell. Gotta learn how to keep my friends and not hold water in my hands. And I know only time will tell. Do you still have that rope tied on your wrist? If you keep it, that means that you're taking the risk. When you cross your fingers with mine, I can tell the body don't lie. You make me believe in the feeling I keep inside. You must be looking for me. Oh, I ain't looking for you. Gotta get out of my head, gotta stop talking to myself. Yes, I know only time will tell. Gotta learn how to keep my friends and not hold water in my hands. And I know only time will tell. Probably gonna think that I'm talking about you, but of course I'm talking about somebody else. If I keep myself so quiet, it's 'cause I have nothing else to say. But oh, I'm obsessed with you. Gotta get out of my head, gotta stop talking to myself. Yes, I know only time will tell. Gotta learn how to keep my friends, not hold water in my hands. And I know only time will tell.